Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege server connection error. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For the first step, head over to search and type in CMD, then run it as administrator. Once the command prompt opens, type ipconfig// DNS and press enter. After that, type net sh winsock reset and press enter again. It will ask you to restart your computer, but don't restart just yet. Finish the next steps first. For the second step, go back to search and type in View Network Connections, then click on it. Once it opens, find your network adapter, double-click on it, and then select Properties. From there, click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure use the following DNS server addresses as selected, then set the first DNS to 8888 and the second DNS to 8844. Click OK to save the changes. Next, head back to search and type in Windows Defender, then open it. Once inside, click on Advanced Settings. Here, go to Inbound Rules and then click on New Rule at the right side. Now, select port from here, click Next and enter 49152-65535 as the port range. Click Next through the remaining options. Then name the rule Rainbow and click Finish. For the final step, go back to search and type in Network Reset, then click on it. Once it opens, click Reset Now and confirm by clicking Yes. After completing all the steps, restart your computer and the problem should be fixed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Rainbow Six Siege server connection error. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.